Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alina, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to make this pearl necklace. It's very easy to do. It's using right angle weave. We're going to make some right angle weave units here, and then we're just going to attach the fringe. For today I used peep beads. In case you are not familiar with them, I will talk about these beads when I will show you the materials. The clasp, I think it's very fancy. I have it in my stash for a long time, and I say today it's the day to use it. What I like about this peep beads, specifically this color, it's I think it's California Gold Rush. They have two colors, so if I want to flip it, you can get a total different effect because the beads are a different color, reddish or burgundy, I don't know this color. So you can use this necklace both sides. If you want to wear it fancy and more elegant, you can use the gold side. If you want to look more different, you can use the other side. It's a pretty fast stitch and it's really fun to make. So let's get started. Let's review the material. You're going to need some beading thread. I'm using Fireline 6LB crystal color. You're going to need some 15 Toho seed beads, some 3mm pearls, some peep beads. In case you are not familiar with this, they are made by Preciosa in the Czech Republic, and they measure around 5 by 7 millimeter. And because they have this nice drop shape, they are perfect if you want to create, for example, a flower. You can put them like this and you get a lovely flower. They have an upper hole and they don't cost a lot. You're also going to need a toggle clasp or a clasp of your choice and a beading needle. So let's get started. Start by stringing 100 centimeter of thread or 40 inches, and we're going to build right angle weave units. So you're going to pick up a 15 seed bead and a pearl, a 3mm pearl, 4 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the beads for our first unit. And I'm going to leave a tail around 15 centimeter or 6 inches. Now we're going to form a circle, so I'm going through all the beads again. Make sure you don't skip any of the 15, they are very small. And I think it's a very easy stitch. So I'm going to pull, and I'm going again through some of the beads to complete the circle. And I want you to exit one of the pearls. So now I'm exiting a 15. Now I will go through this pearl on the side, just like this. So now we have our first unit of right angle weave. It has 4 pearls and 4 15. Now we're going to make the second unit. In order to do this, we're going to consider this already a unit of the next one, so a bead from the next unit. So instead of picking up 4 pearls, we're going to pick up 3 because we already have one here. So you're going to pick up a 15, a pearl, a 15, a pearl, another 15, a pearl, and a 15. So actually we're going to pick up 3 pearls and 4 15 seed beads. So now we're going to make another circle. My thread is exiting this pearl right here. I will go through the same one on the opposite direction, just like this. My thread is always getting tangled on the table. Let's see what we have now. It's looking like this. So I want to step up in order to add another a unit of right angle weave. So I will go through this pearl, this 215, and I will exit on this side pearl. So let's see. I'm going through this 15 and the next pearl, just like this. So now I'm ready to add another unit of right angle weave. They look like small circles or like cute flowers. So now I'm going to pick up a 15, a pearl, a 15, another pearl, a 15, a pearl, and the 15. So it's always going to be 3 pearls and 4 seed beads. This is the right sequence. And now we're going through the same pearl we just exit, but on the opposite direction. Like this. Now we're going to step up, so I want my thread to be on this pearl on the side line. I can flip my work, it's easier to show you like this. And through the 15 and the side pearl. So it's just easy like this. Now you have to do this process over and over again until you have the desired length of your necklace, and I will meet you right back to show you how to add the peep beads on the bottom. So be right back. Welcome back. I hope it didn't took you a long time to finish this part of the necklace. I made around 60 units of right angle weave. Let me show you what I mean. This is a unit, this is another one, so I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I made 60 units, which is about 40 centimeter or approximately 16 inches. And now we're going to add the clasp. So our thread is exiting this pearl, outside pearl. I want to exit one of the 15 next to this pearl. So I will just circle this unit of right angle weave, the last one. I will reinforce it anyway one more time. I hope it didn't took you a long time to finish this part. It's a fast stitch. You can also use 4mm pearls. I think it will finish faster. Also you can use crystal, bicons, fire polish, whatever you have in your stash. So I want to exit this 15 right here, just like this. So now I'm going to pick up 3 15-ohs, my clasp, and I will add 3 more 15-oh. If you need to add thread and you don't know how, I will link in the description box a video how to add thread. I already add thread for my project. So I added 3 15-oh, I added the clasp, and I will put 3 more 15-oh, and I will just go through this 15-oh next to this pearl. So we exit this one from up, I will go through the seed bead from down to make like a nice loop. Let's see how it's going to look, just like this. And now of course I want to reinforce it, so I will go through these pearls, through the 15-oh, through the loop of the clasp, at least 2 or 3 times, or as much as your beads allow it. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So it's It's not hard to add the clasp, as you can see. And the beauty of this necklace is that you can wear it. It's half double face. You can wear it like this, but it's no problem if you flip it. So reinforce this at least 2 times. Add the clasp on the other side, and I will meet you right back to show you how to add the fringe and the embellishment down for the necklace. Welcome back. So I added the clasp, and I want you to exit one of the first pearl here, the first one next to the clasp. So I will show you how to add the fringe. So you're going to pick up a 15-0, a 3mm pearl, a 15-0, a peep bead, another 15-0, another pearl, and a 15-0. So when you exit this pearl, I want you to don't go through the 15-0, only the pearl. Let me show you the sequence again that we just added now. So we added a 15-0, a pearl, a 15-0, a peep bead, another 15-0, a pearl, and a 15-0. This is the sequence. Now you can see these peep beads, they have 2 colors. On one side they are gold, the other one they are reddish. It's called California Gold Rush. I don't know if your beads they have double color, but for me I think it's awesome because I can wear the necklace both sides. I will choose the gold color now here. So we added all these beads. We are exiting this pearl, the first pearl next to the clasp. We're going to skip the next one from down and go to the third one, just like this. And this is going to arrange our fringe beads. Let's see. And now we're going to repeat the same steps all over again. So pick up a 15-0, a pearl, a 15-0, a peep bead, another 15-0, another pearl, and another 15-0. You're going to skip the next pearl and go to the other one. All the time you skip one, go through one, skip one. This is the pearl from down, and pull. And there you have it. So you're going to keep doing this until the end, and I'm going to meet you right back to show you the final results. So this is the final result. As you saw, it's a really fast stitch and easy to do, and it's very versatile. You can substitute the peep beads with any drop beads. You can make the pearls 4mm. You can also use crystals. I was thinking in the middle here you can use crystal and the rest pearls. You can do whatever you want. So I think every time you substitute a bead, the result will be different, and which is fun. You don't need a lot of materials. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial for today. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. It will help my channel a lot. So stay safe and see you next time. Bye bye.